Amazing. So guys, as usual, I'm going to use the same strategy. So I got, this is my latest, or yeah, the last time I traded, I got a signal in February the 8th, and today is February the 14th. I got another signal. I'm going to share it with you. So this one was perfect somehow. And yeah, today also. So the first one is going up. Yeah, it's clear. So guys, for those who don't have my strategy, don't know which strategy I'm using, which methods, which indicators, everything about what I learned about binary option, I'm sharing it through my course at binarystrategycourse.com. So binarystrategycourse.com. There's everything about what I learned over the years about binary options. So this one, yeah, this one was the last trade in February the 8th. It was an uptrend. Yeah, it was an uptrend. I closed here and I stopped at this position. It was a profitable, really profitable day, February the 8th. So guys, yeah, I guess that's it. So if you are interested in learning the strategy, just go to the description of this video. For my students, please go to chapter 5 episode 3. There is some updates to the strategy, especially with MACD. So instead of using 10, we are using a period of 20. Yeah, the first win. The first win. Let me just, I guess the next one is going down. Yeah, so it's going down. Let's close or open this short position. And yeah, this one was easy. I guess this one is also an easy one. And as I was saying, if you go back to chapter 5 episode 3 from our course at binarystrategycourse.com, you will see that there's some changes to the way I use MACD. So there's an update. Just go and watch the video again, episode 3, and yeah, there is everything about the new method I'm using, the strategy. Yeah, so we still have 5 seconds, and yeah, amazing. This one is also, oh, this one is going up. This one, all right, all right. So what the market is doing, so it's going, sorry, it's going down. I was saying it's going down. So what the market is doing here is that it's going to bounce at the lower band, and then it's coming back to the upper band. So if this will be a win, this means that this means the next one is going to be an uptrend. Remember, I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just saying that the next one should be an uptrend. If this one is a win, if I'm winning this one, all right. So this one, great. So it's a win. So in the next one, it's clear. The next one is going up. So as usual with $500, let's just wait for the candle to form itself. So it's going up. Let's go up. So it's clear, easy. So it's easier if you're opening, for example, if you're opening a long position or a higher position, it's easier if you wait for the candle to go down to, for example, this level. If I'm opening, or wait for it to go all the way to this level, because at some moments this candle was all the way down here at this level. If I opened here, I would be winning. Even if the candle is red, I would be winning. So same thing here. So a long position, a green candle, and the win. Let's go. The next one. So the next one, I guess, it's going down. The next one, yeah, so as I was saying, the market will reach this level, and I guess, yeah, the market from this level, it's coming back down. Oh, it's not. Or you know what? Yeah, yeah. The market, as I predicted, yeah. The next one is also, let's see the size of this candle, and I will decide if I'm going down or up next. If it's a small, I'm going down. Yeah, we still have another chance to see a down position. So let's open a short position again. Please, 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 please. I believe that the market will stay below the Bollinger Bands. This band or this moving average. Yeah, I believe that the market, we are safe here. Here we are safe. All right. Here we are safe. I opened here. Please stay here. So as just as expected, this candle is staying below this level. Please stay there. With this one, it's complicated now. You know what? I believe that it's going down. It's complicated. See what's going here. Let's open a short position. Let's go down. Or I hate opening at this level, but that's okay. I hate opening at this level, but that's okay. I don't believe I'm winning. Or you know what? Let's see. So this one was a win. This one was a win. This one also was a win. This was a win. Am I seeing a downtrend? So as you can see, this was going down, down. This one going up, of course, down, down. Oh, damn. But that's okay. We didn't lose. Yeah, we didn't lose. As you can see, all last seconds. The last two candles. Let's go down. Let's go down. We still have. Oh. Oh, I missed this one. I forgot about the parabolic saw. Damn. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Guys, you need to be disciplined. Don't forget your trading rules, your strategy when you are trading. I forget about those two, the parabolic saw. I kept focusing on MACD and Bollinger Bands. Yes, it's a loss. I lost. You know what? That's okay. Let's double it. Damn. I knew it's going up. I knew that it was going up. I was looking at. Oh, damn. I was looking at parabolic SR. You know what? Let's double it. Let's put $1,000. Let's put $1,000. The next one. Let's see. No. The next one is going up. I wasn't sure about this candle, but the next one. Let's just see. So the next one is going up. All right. From this point, the market. Sorry. Yes. See, please stay up. Please keep going up. Please going up. Let's see. Boom. The next candle. Now we are safe. See, we are safe. Even if I'm seeing a green candle or a red candle, I opened a long position, but I'm winning at the end. Why? Because I'm safe. I opened at this level. I opened at this level. Great. So now, even if I'm seeing a red candle, I'm winning. Yeah. But unfortunately, I lost here. I made a mistake here. Guys, you need to keep your eyes at all the indicators, as I was saying in the course. But that's okay. We made enough to recover this one. We made enough wins, enough profit to recover this one. Yes. Oh my god. Please stay there. Please. Yes. See, almost lost there. Almost lost there. See, last seconds. Damn, last seconds. Great. Let's go down. This one is easy. I guess from this point the market will go down, but it will be more complicated. I guess we still have 2 trades, and I guess that's it. This one is easy. It's okay. So I guess that we recovered this one, but it was a loss. I lost that $500 forever. Even if I'm making another $1 million, I will never recover this $500. I hate losing. Yeah, but that's okay. This one is easy. It's beautiful. We made the win. Perhaps it will make us, yeah, $5 or $850. Perhaps this one will make us forget this loss. All right, this one is the last trade. Guys, I hope that you learned something. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor in any way. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Please remember that I'm making these videos to show you what is possible to be done with binary options. This is just a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary options. I'm not telling you or guaranteeing you in any ways that you will make the same money as I'm doing here. Binary option is risky. This one is clear, but the next one, to be honest, I don't know about. I will look for another signals and I will share it with you. Yeah, just as expected. This one was easy. Great, another win. So see you later, guys.